Hi, Bill. I hope you're well, staying healthy and safe at home, working from home. It was good to hear your voice in the voicemail. So I'm going to get right to your question. So I logged in to one of your sections that you're teaching this semester. Notice the Spring 20 here. And I don't have access to all your sections, which I can get very quickly tonight. But I wanted to show you that I'm already inside your Welding 103 to Section 281. I see your students' class list here. So I'm not sure if maybe one of the class lists isn't available in one of the other sections. You might want to check that. I can also see the students are listed on grades here. So why don't you check which section numbers you're missing? I'm going to pull up my spreadsheet to show you that. Oh, sorry, I'm not in the right spot. Let me scroll up a little bit to show you that you were assigned. Oops, wrong spreadsheet. I'm sorry. Just got too many files open right now. So I was in the right spot before in the other file. You were assigned Welding 103, Section 280, 281, 282, 283, and 284. So I am inside Section 281. That's the one that I see your students listed. Like, here's the grade book, so I know they're enrolled. So maybe there's a section, maybe there's just one section. I'm hoping that's true so that the troubleshooting is a little easier. So let me know which section numbers don't have your class list so that we can get to the bottom of this problem, okay? I'll check my email tomorrow. If you have further questions, let me give you my cell phone. It's 570-236-5583. I'm using it while I'm working from home, so feel free to call or text me to let me know what you're seeing from your perspective. But I'm logged in like an instructor would be, so I know at least this section is okay. Have a nice evening. Take care.